Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you different pattern for shawl, but I prepare with this pattern a spring cardigan, so you can do that for shawl or vest or cardigan like me. I want to tell you before the cardigans video, I use in that shawl this yarn King Cole Bounty double knitting. Its one ball is 250 grams and approximately 800 yards, and it's equal to nearly 725 meters. It's 100% of premium acrylic, and they recommend us using I think it's needle, knitting needle, but I use in that 4mm hook. Its brand is Tulip. Color number is 1735. It's Blue Mountain. You can wash in 40 degrees. Not so special yarn. Okay, I like it very much. You can use a lot of project with that pattern, and it's so easy, only 3 rows repeating. I will give all the details in the video. If you're ready, and also subscribe to my channel, thanks for that. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our new shawl pattern or which project we want. Let's start to crochet. We need for this pattern multiples of 9 plus 6 only one time. I have here 69 chains, and it's equal to, width is 12.5 inches, and it's nearly 32 centimeters. Okay, you can grow up your width at 9 chains, 9. Okay, I want to make a sample here. Make a slip knot and chain 27. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I made 27 chains, multiples of 9. Okay, and add 6 chains only one time. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. I have totally 33 chains. Yarn over twice. We working with triples with this big lines. Okay, yarn over twice and skip 1 2 3 4 5. Insert my hook from the 6th one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. I accept that chain 5, my first triple, and this is the second one. Then 1 2 3 4 chains, and skip here 1 2 3 stitch, insert into the 4th one, grab my yarn, I have 2 loops, and join with a single crochet, chain 3, and turn my work. I will work with that chain 4, yarn over, count as that first double crochet, insert that space and make here 5 more double, 2 3 4 and 5, and this is the 6th. Then chain 3 and again turn your work, count as first double, so start with the second and make here 1, next stitch make 1 double, next stitch make 1 double, this is 4, this is 5, and this is the last one, the 6th one. Not make any chains, yarn over twice, and here now skip 3 again, 1 2 3, insert into the 4th one, grab your yarn and make here treble. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice, insert into the next stitch and make here one more treble. 1, 2, 3. Now we will make this part again. So chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 1, 2, 3. Insert into the fourth one. Skip 3 stitch, insert into the fourth one, grab my yarn and join with a single crochet. Like that. Now chain 3 and turn your work. Yarn over and work with that space and make here 5 double. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. With the first chain 3 I have totally 6 double crochet. Chain 3 and count as the first double and turn your work. Then we will make a double crochet in every each stitch. This is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is the sixth one. Yarn over twice and again skip 1, 2, 3, insert into the fourth one, grab my yarn, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Yarn over twice, insert into the next one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip here 1, 2, 3, insert into the fourth one, grab my yarn, join with a single crochet. Then chain 3, count as the first double crochet. Turn your work and work with that chain 4 space and make here 5 more double crochet. This is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and totally we have here 6 double. Chain 3 and turn your work. Yarn over, insert into the second one because we count that first double. Make here double, next stitch double, next double, this is double crochet, and the last stitch I make here a double crochet. Yarn over twice, not make any chains. 1, 2, 3, skip, insert into the fourth one, make here a treble, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over twice, insert into the last stitch and make here a one more treble. So this is our first row, like that. We start with triples and finish with triples. Now we will start the second row. Chain 5, 3, 4, 5 and turn your work. Count as the first triple. Yarn over twice and insert into the second stitch and make one more triple. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Then we skip previous row 3 chain. So I make here 3 chain and join with a single crochet here. 5th and the 6th doubles between of them. Join with a single crochet. Chain 3, yarn over twice, insert into the triple stop, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over twice, insert into the next, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again chain 3, insert here, join with a single crochet. Chain 3, yarn over twice and make here 2 triple. 1, 2, 3. Empty your hook with 3 times. Pull through 2, insert into the next, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip, insert your hook between 5th and the 6th doubles araya here, join with a single crochet. 1 2 3, yarn over twice, insert into the first treble stop, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over twice, insert into the second treble stop, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. We complete the second row like that. Now this is the third row, and we always repeat these 3 rows. Chain 1, count as the first, single crochet, insert into the next one, make a single. I have 3 chain, make here 3 single crochet, 1 2 3. I have a stitch here, make a single crochet, 3 chains, make 3 single, 1 2 3. I have 2 treble and make here a single crochet in every each stitch. One, 2, 3. In the stitch 1, 1, 2, 3 in the space. I have 2 stitch, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. I have 3 chains, make 3 single crochet, 1 2 3. I have a stitch, make 1 single here. I have 3 chains, make 3 single crochet. I have 2 stitch, make 2 single crochet, and finish the third row like that. We finish the pattern. Actually, I want to show you one more time the first rows repeating. After, you can keep crochet easily. Chain 5, this is repeat of the first row, and turn your work. Yarn over twice, count as the first treble, insert into the second stitch and make here a treble. Chain 4, 1 2 3 4, and 1 2 3 skip, insert into the fourth one and join with a single crochet. 1 2 3 chain, count as the first double, turn your work and yarn over, make 5 more double in that chain 4 space. 1 2 3 4 and 5. At the first one, totally 6 double crochet, chain 3 and turn your work. This is the 1 2 3 4 5 and this is 6th one. Yarn over twice, skip 1 2 3, insert into the fourth and make here a treble. Yarn over twice, insert into the next one and make 1 more treble. Then again chain 4, skip 3, insert into fourth one and make a single. Then chain 3 and turn your work, make here 5 more double, chain 3 and turn, do your doubles on the doubles and yarn over twice and make 2 triples, and you will repeat 1 2 and 3, that 3 rows, always repeating which size you want. I hope you like this tutorial. It's so simple and fast crocheting, and I'm very excited about its finish and make a cardigan shape. I think it will be very good. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.